Morning. So we're back in the expediting van today again. Pretty much we got a load from South Carolina that's going to Iowa. So I'm here in Atlanta. I'm about to go pick it up pretty much in South Carolina. It's a 2.5 hour drive pretty much. It's to be delivered Sunday, 11 p.m. on Sunday in Iowa. However, on this trip, I'm not gonna go straight to Iowa. Today's Friday. I'm gonna pick it up in South Carolina and go back home. The reason for that is they're not paying any layover on this load. So if I had picked it up today, Friday, I would probably get there Saturday. I would have to pretty much overnight Saturday, Sunday, and then before I could deliver. So with this load, I'm gonna pick it up 2 hours away from Atlanta, go back to Atlanta, chill tonight, leave maybe tomorrow Saturday, probably about 12 in the evening, drive for about 6 hours. It's about a 12-hour trip from Atlanta, so I'll drive 6 hours Saturday evening and then head on up the rest of the way on Sunday morning when after the break. I'll shut it down Saturday night sometime 8-9 o'clock, drive out Sunday morning and finish the rest of the 6 hours. So it's just trip planning on this one. I could have left straight from South Carolina straight up to Iowa and get there super early and wait until the delivery time. But on this one, because they're not paying layover, I'll rather lay over at the house as opposed to so yeah, I'm gonna try vlog this entire trip, not the entire thing, but pretty much different little stops. I'll probably make like fuel stops. I don't really make any food stops or anything like that, but fuel stops and maybe just a break. I'll try and put in a little bit of clips here and there, but yeah, so let's head on out. Stay tuned. Let's head on out and get to South Carolina. It's raining pretty bad right now, so it might take a little bit longer, but yeah, let's head up. Raining real bad, guys. Raining real bad, but we're pushing through. Heading to South Carolina from Atlanta. We're gonna head to Iowa tomorrow. But yeah, I know you ain't gonna hear me good because the rain is raining real bad out here. It's just loud, but we on it. get it on this part right here. Try and get it on this part. Oh, you can't see it. Yeah. Push it. Try the other side. That shit heavy as hell, yo. That shit heavy. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Yeah. Appreciate it, man. Thank you. Yeah. Alright, guys. Just got our load. We're about to head out. Going to Iowa. Checking in a minute. Alright guys, so we made it to our drop off here in Iowa. We got a little bit of a line. We got load one over there and we got Bolt Express. I think we have a Panther up on the ramp. I got here early this morning, but when I got in, they weren't open yet. They just open at 10 at night. So I was in the front. By the time I get to the back, all these guys was here. So we're here just waiting to get unloaded in a few. Yeah. If you can't get it, I'll hook this up to it. Man, with that's 3,000 pounds right there. Yeah.